So it needs to have good compression for it to push air out of the motor. So it is a messed up motor.
It's wore out. I mean, my God, it's got what?
That freaking motor has over 300,000 miles on it. On Halloween a couple years ago, the last three numbers on the odometer were 666. It's like, oh, hell no.
It got everything out of this one that it could possibly probably give.
So how much would it cost to have it completely rebuilt?
Problem is finding a shop that does it
Well,
anymore.
no, screw the shop. How much would it cost for us to completely rebuild that motor?
Still, to do the internal work, it still has to go to the shop because we do not have the $25,000 equipment.
Of course we don't. Well,
so it still has to go to a shop.
Are you going to do a compression test on the other motor?
I think we should.
I think you should.
Once we drop this one somewhere and grab that one.
Hey, language. Ta-da.